I'm live. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Live streaming from Caloocan City, Philippines. This is Luvlines signing on.
Welcome to Luvlines.
Welcome to Luvlines. Good afternoon. It's Saturday and let's chill. Let's do, ano tawag nito? Let's do this. Ano nga ba yun? Nasa na yung screencast ko? Ano ba? Let me see. Ayun. Yan. Let's do this screencast Wordscapes style. Alright. And demo. Let me do this. Magde-demo tayo. Screen sharing. So, samantalahin. Teka lang. Live. Shoutout kung may tao na dyan. May tao na ba? Multitasking ako eh. Multitasking sa kanan ay sa kanan ang aking live stream, sa kaliwa yung aking monitor sa live stream. Hello! Welcome to the live stream. May tao na pala. Pangalan nito, live from Korea. Alright, let's talk, chill, and let's learn. But before anything else, let me show how I edit this one. Dinsamnida, shout out sa mga taga-Korea. Shout out to all the Luvlines Galaxy of Super LUV STARS. And to the ABS family, Snow family, and the Moon family. Let me show to you, ito tayo. Let YouTube insert mid-rolls, recommended. Gagawin ko yan. And it's balanced. Balance siya, yun. Balance. Paliitin because I'm gonna save. So this is how you do that. And then, pagkatapos, babalik ako para i-customize ang ating live stream. Participant mode, who can send messages. So gagawin nating subscribers mode. And make it duration, any duration. Tapos, save. O, diba? Dali lang. Right, it's saving. So, Luvlines turned on subscriber-only mode. On the channel members, subscribers can send messages. And that's what I like it. Kasi ayoko ng mga trolls. Alright, monetization tayo, and then this one, and then this one. Teka lang, tingnan natin kung meron akong thumbnail. Hindi pala, wala akong thumbnail. So I'm gonna put a thumbnail. Change. Alright. Nasaan? Let me see. Hindi yata gagana. Hi, Samber Risky Terrales, mega love shout out. Samber Risky Terrales. Look. Ay. Ano ba yan? How are you, Samber? Welcome to the live stream, Samber. Hindi ko siya ma-change, oh. Oh, yeah. It's got... Ayan, gumana siya. So, let me check. Asa na ba? Ito na lang. Words. Where is it? Oh no. Oh no. Samber. Risky Terrales. Shout out. Let me. Daniel Berry Sports Highlights. Sino ba to? Gallery PSP. Welcome to the live stream. Yan. Daniel Berry Sports Highlights. Samber Risky Terrales. Sino pa? Wala. Samber Daniel. Di ko alam si Daniel nga yung nandyan ko. Samber Daniel. Yeah, shout out. Okay, let me put my... Anong ilalagay ko dito? This one na lang. Okay, and done. Tada! It's uploading. O, diba? Can you see it? It's there already. Yan. Yan na muna for the meantime. I'm gonna change that later on. And don't forget to save. So that's how you edit your live stream. Alright. We continue now with the games. With the games. I'm going to enter the YouTube. Oh, teka lang. Punta muna ako sa Chuchujo. 8 millionaires. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Shoutout sa aking uncle. Hindi naman ako sakaling nanonood na. Alright. Let me show. Ayan. Salamat sa mga channel comments. Haven't responded. Baron pa ako hindi na-comment. So, these are my channel members. If you don't have them, hit them. Mentexo, thank you for coming. Shout out. Mentexo. Yeah. Samber. Mentexo. Asa na? Yan. Ito na aking channel member. My channel members, they are. Member ni Luvlines. Si Team TM, Lucci, Sure Pencil, the artist. I have 2 artists. Actually, almost all of them are artists, yeah. Gamers. Mama Snow, a gamer. Retro Sailor Moon, also gaming live streamer. And also Sam Gilmore, gaming din siya. Also Team TM. Sure Pencil, the artist, Mama Snow, Alicia Shepherd. Both are artists. By drawing. But Mama Snow is multi-talented artist. All kind of arts. She can sing, she can draw, she composes music and all. Yeah, and also voice acting. Si Lucci composed my music. Let me show to you my music. Oh no, teka lang. Buksan natin yan. Sambarisky Terales Mentexo, mega love shout out, sabi ni Sambar. Okay, so I'm gonna close muna. Paapat na lang, so from 41 before, naging 4. So okay, it's okay. And ang baba na ko, no. So, I'm gonna enter yan ang aking look, revenue konti lang. Alright, let's go to the live studio. Asa na? Pasok ako sa live studio. Live stream. Pakita ko muna yung nandito. It is in Texas. Is love? When is the holiday in... I don't know. When is your holiday? Kailan ang holiday? When is your holiday, Summer? Summer. Don't know. I don't know. Sorry, I don't know when. When is it? Aha. Pupunta muna ako kay Mentex. Okay. So, there you are. Ayaw lumabas ang live stream. Look. Live. Ayaw bumukas ah. Let me reload. Reload natin yan. There's Mentex. So, latest 8 months ago. Ayan, 481 subscribers siya. Cold Blood, Juicy, Still Mix. Panoorin nga natin to. And, Summer. Nasaan ako? Daniel YouTube ba to? Daniel Barry Sports Highlights. Sambarisky Terales. Snow. Mama Snow, Alicia Shepherd. Uy, nag-art siya. Let me see what's this. Discussion, what AI, 1 hour, 4 months ago. 3 days ago. Mama Snow, Alicia Shepherd had live streamed 3 days ago. I wasn't able to attend. Okay, ito na. Let me show. Yan. Pindutin nito. This is, ang tawag yan? The icon to the live studio. Okay, so there it is. 146. There's live. Come on. And there's Mintex. So, bakit ang tagal? Okay, ayan. So, we have here live, Sambaris Quiterales, Gallery PSP, ano ba itong napindot ko? Sige, pin natin yan. Hindi ko alam kung anong pinin ko. Daniel Berry Sports Highlights Gallery PSP, Sambaris Quiterales, Mentex, so, hindi, Samber. Tama na, 4 lang. Live, Samber, Gallery, Daniel, Mentex, Stick, Sword, welcome back. Thank you for being here. Yeah. You can see your chat. Okay, so that's it. That's how I'm gonna create a highlight. I'm gonna create a highlight from here. So this is shout out sa inyong lahat na nandito muna. Ayan. Shout out everyone that's here. First, how many? First 5, first 6. Yan. Welcome back and thank you for being here, by the way. Nakatap chat ako. Anyway, this is how you do it. Where is it? Wala. I can't see the icons. Nasaan ang icon? There should be an icon here, up here on the right side. Kaya lang it's not shown. I don't know why. Let me check if I can make it ganito. Oh no, continue to studio. Hindi ako gagamit ng app. Alright. Let me show it again. There you are. There it is. Look. Oh no. Ayan. Can you see up here? Nightbot, Sam Gilmore palang pinaka-pin ko. Who's here? Sino bang ipipin ko? Alright. Pin ko si Mintex. So that's it. Let me show to you. Ay, nawala na naman. Oh my gulay. That's the problem. Pag hindi, nawawala. Reload. Okay. So that's how it is. Gawin ko rin siyang desktop side. Desktop side para makita ko yung nasa taas. Yung icons. How to edit the stream. Ayan. The icons up here. Okay. And everyone here. Yeah. I'm just going to edit. Ayan na naman. Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna show how to, again, highlight. First highlight. Okay, so these are the icons, plus ads, post ads, and create highlight. Ano pa ba dito? I forgot that one. And then the share. And let's do this. Yeah. So we will create
Mga taong may stroke,
oh my
arthritis,
gulay,
at
what
pananakit ng
happened?
buto at kasukasuan.
Mali ang napindot ko.